Hello viewers, welcome to Vatax Hair. Today I'm show many item of raw hair, double tone hair, Remy hair, single tone, wefting hair. If you want, please knock on WhatsApp number. Uh, this item for knotting. 100% human hair. Very naturally and silky. 100% human hair. Okay. Show this. Uh, 8 to 36 inch available. Any inch available. Okay. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a famous of raw hair. If you want, please knock on WhatsApp number. I show the all item. Show this. Show this. Okay. If you want a washable double tone hair, a single tone hair, wefting hair, any hair are available Vatax hair. Now I am shown the unique item. This is old man hair. Show this white and black. Old man hair. Customs Toupee. Making this. Okay. Okay. Show this. Okay. 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 Now I'm sure this is very long length. 30 inch. 30 inch. Just for uh, buying house, it is just from our stock. Both are also these are factory. These are factory. Just show this 12 inch. Now I'm sure the wefting here. Wefting here now packaging. Okay. Any kind of hair available here. If you want, please knock on WhatsApp number. 8 to 36 inch available our factory. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.